What's up, Vegan Maga? Just got a box sent to my house, delivery of food. Thought it was a, VCR or Cube TV that I purchased online, but it's not. That would have been pretty early anyway. They're supposed to be coming in the next week. But I popped it open. It was actually, I had forgotten I bought this from them, but I'm excited I did. It's some food from Misfit Market. Misfit Market is a brand that takes fruits and veggies mostly, but they have other foods and they have dead animals. But they have good, healthy fruits and veggies that they purchase from stores and businesses that rejected them because they look weird, basically. Like they might be like disformed. It might be like a apple that's like a little wider that isn't perfectly round or something like that. Um, but then again, I'm looking through these and they look perfect. So I don't know what they're talking about. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go through and show the ones I got. Got some oyster and shiitake mushrooms. Got some. So just right in there. All right. Then got some cow, organic dinosaur. This is a dinosaur cow. The only type of cow that I eat. Then we got this organic green curd. Looking gorgeous stuff. I don't remember what the hell this is. That's horrible. But anyway, I'm gonna eat it. The radish. I think these are radishes. That's what they are. And pasta. I never can find this type of I found this brand, but not this specific type of macaroni in stores. This is imported from Italy, so they're good, better quality. Italians, after all, the ones who do pasta best. For myself, a watermelon. Uh, another. Oh, this is collard green. Oh, so good. Then the interesting. Check that out, guys. Can't really pronounce that, so I'm just gonna put the Dandelion, more so used as a seasoning. Some more of the pasta, some shells, do some vegan mac and cheese with those. And then some angel hair. Ooh, haven't got this in a while. I don't think I ever showed you guys, but I'm a big fan of nachi. I actually used to only exclusively eat this type of pasta for a while when I first learned about it. This is made in Italy, but traditionally nachos are kind of like a Polish version of pasta made from potatoes. And this little cute broccoli head here. And that's the only one that's not in the best condition, baby broccoli. Compared to everything else, it's super fresh. And this is here. Oh man. Yep. This is cool, guys. Jack and Annie Sambra's plant-based sausage with real with Uh-oh. Is this? Don't tell me this is. Oh, I might have messed up with the, because made plant-based, fluffy vegan eggs. Okay, it's vegan eggs. I'm concerned, is the cheese vegan or not? No. Very well. See the mistake I made? I put that on a previous video where I was telling you guys to watch out for that type of stuff. Um, it says plant-based sauces, vegan eggs, but the cheese is not vegan, so don't buy these. I'm not gonna eat them. I didn't know I wouldn't be selling this. Obviously I messed up. It does say plant-based, but let's keep going here. Impossible Italian style beef. I have never seen this in stores. Of course, I have seen the Impossible meat, but this is some type of Italian style ground. This is miso tofu. Impossible taco beef. Guess I'm not done with the tacos yet. It does look like it's 8 ounces, and I think I paid the same amount, if not more. I paid like $5, $6 for it. So it is like equally as much money as the regular uh, Beyond Meat, but for less. So instead of paying more, like well, it should be the same, but instead of like paying more like you would think they would do, they just give you less. So yeah, in that sense, kind of rip off, but I'm sure it's gonna taste good, and the more we buy this stuff and support them, eventually the prices will go up. They do take advantage of us vegans a lot. There's really no reason. I get it's kind of time consuming, but it doesn't really make sense that this stuff is made from some of the cheapest food, beans and soy and wheat. Now, why is it that a bag of beans costs $1, but when it's made into a bean burger, it's somehow becomes $7, $8, $10? It's pretty annoying, but whatever. And just some random ice, blocks of ice, which I did not buy, but that was to keep this cool. All right, that is it. Open for exclusive deals and offers. Want to discover even more high quality brands? Misfit Market. Okay, overall, with the exception of the mistake I made with that, I am quite excited and happy about this. All the food looks great. I'll let you guys know how the Beyond the Impossible meat is, and yeah, go vegan, eat healthy plant foods, and I'll be uploading a few more videos soon. I am currently working on my VHS based channel. I already kind of set it up, but I didn't post any videos yet. I'm going to keep up what I have on this channel, movie wise, and I'm just going to start off fresh on that one. Um, Probably will be doing that in the next day or two, either tonight or tomorrow. And I'll put a link on my channel for that. I also might be separating this channel into two channels too. I might do a vegan haul slash vegan cooking channel, and then keep this one for the animal rights activists and the politics, the current events, and then fitness would either be on this channel or the eating slash haul channel. I've noticed I'm getting a lot of views on my haul and cooking videos, but not too many subscribers. And I think it might be some people who have, I don't know, biases towards my political views or my activism. So I'm going to try to separate those. I'll never separate the politics from the veganism. That's kind of the main purpose and gimmick of the channel. That's But I do feel that the movies definitely should be separate, and the hall and cooking could also be a thing of its own. So at least three. So I got at least two more channels coming. All right, peace out.